Hey guys, so I guess you can tell that I'm going to be out again today. Still in quarantine, still waiting for my COVID test results to come back, but hopefully you're all doing well and hopefully your families are healthy right now. So let's go talking about what I want you to do today. As you probably know, today is the last day of the class. So I want to do a little bit of wrap-up stuff, but mostly I want you to just stay hands-on, do a little bit of drafting, have some fun. So you'll start your day by watching this video. I guess you figured that part out. Then you'll complete this form. I've had a few people that were present last time that didn't do the form. So if you see somebody sitting beside you that hadn't logged on or that didn't open the form, just remind them to do it. That's what I'm using for attendance. Once you finish the form, get your drafting materials out and get to work. So there are several things you can draft. You can continue drafting the blocks. You can also go and do the drafting challenge that I gave you for your last class. You're welcome to work on it. If you did this one and you want another challenge, go to the back of the classroom and there's a set of textbooks called Drafting or Introduction to Drafting, something like that. Open it up, flip through, and find one you like. The main thing here is keep pushing yourself, keep challenging yourself, and learn. Don't get tied down in the little nitpicky stuff of what to do. I'm pretty flexible with which one you choose. If you're still struggling, continue to work with the basic blocks, the basic wooden blocks that fit your need. With all that said, as you're drafting, be certain that your extension lines are above the edges of your object, but there's a gap so they're not touching. Make sure your dimension lines have the arrows on the end of them and that parallel to the object. Make sure that you're using your eraser shield for nice, clean, crisp lines. And make sure that almost all of your construction lines are deleted, the only exception being the ones above the right and top view with the diagonal on it showing that everything's lined up properly. Well, guys, I hope you have fun today. Definitely hope that I'm back by Friday. And, send me an email if you have any questions.